Okay guys, we're talking about adding fractions. So I'm going to show you with this shape. Right here we have a shape, and I'm going to say that this shape is one hexagon. Yes, there is only one of them. Now if you come down here, you will see that I have used these shapes to also make a hexagon. Now each one of these shapes does not make a hexagon, but when I put three of them together, it makes a hexagon. Now that's going to be important in a second. And over here, I have another shape, and I need 6 of them to make one hexagon. So the understanding that I want you to gather from that is that I need 3 to make one hexagon here, and 6 to make one hexagon here. The number 1 is one hexagon. Okay, so over here, I'm going to show you an equation. Simple equation, 1/3 plus 1/3. This is very similar to the one that a lot of people did in the test. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you what the actual answer is, and I'm going to show you why it is not what a lot of people wrote. So the actual answer, what you do simply mathematically is you do not add the bottom ones, you leave them alone. You leave them that as a 3, and you add the top 2 together to make 2/3. So that's the answer. Now why that makes sense, I'll show you. That one plus that one, when you add them together, you put them together, they are 2/3. That plus that, put them together, they're 2/3. They're not quite a whole, they're 2/3. I would need another one to make a whole. So, but what a lot of people did, so hopefully you can see that that is 2/3. When I add 1/3 plus another third, it makes 2/3. Now, what I want you to show you is what a lot of people did was they went like this: 1/3 plus 1/3 equals 2/6. Now I'm going to show you why that's not true. Okay, so here you have your 1/3. We all understand that that's 1/3. We all understand that that's 1/3. And I used this whole hexagon to show you that that was, quite clearly you could see it was 2/3 when you added them together. Now, a lot of people said 1/3 plus 1/3 equals 2/6, where you were adding both of them together, which is not correct, but I'm going to show you why. Over here, I needed 6 of these to make a hexagon. Okay? Now what you said, a lot of you said, is 1/3 plus 1/3 equals 2/6. So therefore, if I grab 2 of my 6's, so you're saying that this plus this together is the same size as 2/6, which is actually very wrong. In fact, it's so wrong that one of those by themselves, 1/3 by itself, is the same as 2/6, just for your own knowledge. So it is clearly very wrong. That's the basics of understanding why it is what it is.